They're asking you to remove President Trump from the ballot in an election that's occurring in approximately 9 months. Now, they have the burden of proof, and they have not come close to meeting it. For all their talk about election interference, that they're here to perpetrate the most massive interference in an election in American history, and we can't allow that to happen.
Well, it reads like a classic organized crime shakedown. Shorn of its rambling character and in not so many words, this is the essence of what the President communicates. We've been very good to your country, very good. No other country has done as much as we have. But you know what? I don't see much reciprocity here.
That's fake. That's not the real call. That's not the evidence here. What we're left with are 6 key facts. First, the transcript shows that the President did not condition either security assistance or a meeting on anything. Second, President Zelensky and other Ukrainian officials have repeatedly said that there was no quid pro quo and no pressure on them to review anything. President Zelensky and high-ranking Ukrainian officials did not even know the security assistance was paused until the end of August. Not a single witness testified that the President himself said that there was any connection between any investigations and security assistance, a presidential meeting, or anything else. The security assistance flowed on September 11th. President Trump has been a better friend and stronger supporter of Ukraine than his predecessor. The Democrats' allegation that the President engaged in a quid pro quo is unfounded and contrary to the facts. The truth is simple, and it's right before our eyes. The President was at all times acting in our national interest and pursuant to his oath of office.
Manager Schiff, Managers Garcia and Dennings relied heavily on selected clips from Ambassador Sondland's testimony. I am not going to replay those. My colleague, Mr. Purpura, played those for you. It's clear. We're not going to play the same clips 7 times. He said it. You saw it.
Why didn't they show that?
They only showed you a very selective part of the record, their record.
They didn't read the following.
They didn't tell you about this testimony from Ambassador Volker. Why not?
They didn't tell you this.
Why not?
They didn't tell you that.
Why not?
Didn't have time in 24 hours to tell you this.
Why not?
Ask yourself, why am I just hearing about this now?
Why not?
You heard a lot of facts that they didn't tell you. Facts that are critical. Facts that they know completely collapse their case on the facts. Now, you heard a lot from them. You're not going to hear facts from the President's lawyers. They're not going to talk to you about the facts. That's all we've done today. And ask yourself, given the facts you heard today that they didn't tell you, who doesn't want to talk about the facts?